Yay! So my Vietnam wears just arrived Nigeria, so I'll be doing an unboxing video, and also not just unboxing video, I'll also be talking about Vietnam importation. All right, and I'll also be dropping, you know me now, I'll be dropping tested and trusted suppliers contact on the screen. So do well to watch till the end so you can get these goodies. All right, welcome here. Welcome to Jenny Sales channel. Here we'll talk about how to make money online, importation, China, Vietnam, India, Bangladesh, and all that. All right, Facebook ad, everything business growth. So if you've not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. If you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button. All right, I'll be showing it on the screen as I'm talking. So let's start. I'll be showing you the pictures, how it looks like. Can you see this? This are Vietnam wears as in quality shook. You can see the jean down. Let me make my camera so you can view everything. Look at them. Everything is here. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at the cap. Look at the jean. And look at the wears. So I'll be showing you how everything looks like, guys. So when we talk about, you'll be seeing all the unboxing, how we all unbox on the screen as I'm talking, it will be showing. So we'll talk about Vietnam importation. Remember, Vietnam is not like China. Yes, before they had an app, but right now no, we now use suppliers, legit suppliers, and to send out. And not just that, for you to import in Vietnam, you should have a good supplier. Not just supplier, you should also have an exchanger. All right, because you can't buy using naira, so you must have an exchanger that can exchange to their own currency. Yes, so they will exchange to their own currency and you can pay to the exchanger. Then when you pay to the exchanger pays to the supplier. Then you should also have a shipping company, so you will give the shipping company number or contact to your supplier. Then once you finish paying and all that, then the next thing your supplier will do is to package your goods, show you, ask you your name and phone number, contact, and send it to your shipping company. Then what will your shipping company do? They will package it and tell you, look, I'll be showing you on the screen how the message looks like when they receive it. They will show you, look at, we just got your item here. They will also calculate it, to know the CBM, and they will ask you, are you using air shipping or sea shipping? Because they have two type of shipping rates. So you will tell them air or sea. Some people use air, but I used sea for mine. You can see that I used sea. Well, now you can see, so it doesn't look as if maybe I'm not seeing what you can see. That I want my name to show so you see it. Yes, Jenny, see you can see that on the screen. God, my number. So when they get it, they'll ask you, should we use air, should we use sea? I use sea. And one beautiful thing is that their sea is fast. I use sea, and guess what, guys? It arrived in 2 months. So I'll be sharing my suppliers contact. Actually, I have so many suppliers contact, but right here I'll be sharing with you just 2. Yes, I paid heavily to get this contact. So what I'm sharing with you is not something that I've not done. It's not something that I have not bought from before. I've bought, and you can see it's light and direct. It's light and direct. You see it's light and direct. So, and another thing you should know again is if you're buying from Vietnam, they don't sell one, they sell in set. You can see this is in set, 10 in a set. Like now the set has ages, like I don't know how to, so you can see this one now. This one is saying 10 years. So this is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how they sell. They don't sell one. So if you're an end user and you're like, and I love Vietnam, because Vietnam wears, the qualities are top notch. The quality of Vietnam wear top notch. Cannot compare the quality to other countries. I know what, especially the kiddies. So if you want to purchase Vietnam wears for your prince, for your beautiful princess, for your lovely prince, and you can, now end user, you cannot come buying one full set. So now I got you covered. I also run a Vietnam group where we come together, complete this set, and we buy, and end users are opportunity to get what they want, the age of their prince and princess. So you go down the description button, you will be seeing the group link. Hit on the group link and join, because next batch is starting, so you can join and complete the set. So you need to worry, how will I get those sets? Our pre-order group will got you covered. And also, if you are now a reseller, wholesaler, then more time to make money don't come. You just buy the set and you sell off. I'm telling you, go, and I'll also be showing you market price of this Vietnam wears. Market price is 20k and above. If I tell you how much I sold in my group, you'll be amazed. And the shipping fee is okay. It's okay. The shipping fee is sweet. So it's so super amazing. All right, that's all for now. I'll also be showing unboxing at the end, and please do, when you get the supplier contact, you chat the person up. And I wish, the beautiful thing about this ones, Vietnam, they have their own group. They have a group now. WhatsApp, they deal on, they're always on Telegram. So they have their Telegram group where they'll be posting different varieties, different designs. You'll be seeing the designs, and you can now post and add your price. And before you start posting your price, remember you pay them in dollars. Yes, so you need to ask your exchanger what the dollar rate is as at that time, so you don't go into loss. Some people like posting it in dollar, but me, I used to post it there because I used to ask them rates. When they ask you rates, for example, they say rate is 1.2, I'm giving as an example, then you can make your own 1.5. So at least before you finish the batch, now it will not be up to 1.5. Then you can now be able to buy and make your profit. Vietnam importation is very lucrative, and is just profit in it. So if you're thinking of how to import from Vietnam, maybe you've not been seeing legit supplier contact, worry no more. I've displayed all on the screen. And if you also want me to share my shipping company I use, the shipping company I use, write on the comment section, SEO, can you drop the shipping company? And I will only drop the shipping company in contact if I get more than 10 comments under the comment section. All right, do well to hit the like button. See you in my next video. Bye.